My Lords, may I also thank Baroness Alexander for securing this debate. My Lords, as many of you are aware, that I was born in Pakistan. I have lived most of my life here in the UK. But I still have strong family connections in Pakistan, and I like Pakistan. I keep going back and forth to see my relatives very frequently. And during my visits, I have the opportunity of meeting politicians from all different political persuasions in that country. But when it comes to internal politics of Pakistan, I always stay neutral. My aim has always been to do everything that I can to strengthen the historical relations between Britain and Pakistan. From the early days, Pakistan has faced enormous internal challenges, including large-scale migration, poverty, floods, earthquakes, terrorism, corruption, and externally, 3 wars and many battles and ongoing hostilities on its eastern borders with India, and never-ending instability and wars in its west, in Afghanistan. Pakistan continues to bear the cost of the Afghan problem, and so far it has costed Pakistan more than 70,000 lives and billions of pounds of economic losses. Despite this, Pakistan has been able to establish a powerful and respectful place on the world stage as a nuclear state. On the international front, Pakistan has been successfully able to balance its relationship with the US, Russia, China, and Great Britain. Similarly, in the region, it has good relations with Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Iran, Turkey, Bangladesh, and Malaysia. Pakistan is one of the largest contributors to the United Nations peacekeeping missions around the world. More recently, Pakistan has shown its diplomatic abilities during the US, Israel, and Iran war by offering mediation between the US and Iran to end the war by finding a peaceful solution. I sincerely hope, my Lords, these efforts may bring an end to this deadly war in the Middle East that is affecting the whole world. However, at home, Pakistan faces challenges of weak economics, law and order, justice, corruption, and political instability. Many reputable international human rights organizations, including the Amnesty International, have criticized the elections process of 2024 and treatment of political workers, including former Prime Minister IMRAN Khan. It has been alleged that Imran Khan has been denied free access to his lawyers and family members, and that he has been held in solitary confinement. It is also alleged that he has lost 85% of his eyesight in one of his eyes. In my personal capacity, I have raised these concerns with the Pakistan High Commission in London, and I have been told that Mr. Khan has received his eye treatment from Pakistan Medical Institute of Sciences in Islamabad, and that his lost eyesight has been fully restored with glasses. On the question of detention of PTI leadership, I'm being told that most of them are linked with the anti-state action of 9th May 2023 and are dealt with according to the relevant sections of the law. My Lords, as I said in the beginning, I stay away from Pakistan internal politics, but justice, fairness, and access to health facilities are universal rights. And hence, in the light of these claims and counterclaims, may I urge the noble lady, the Minister, to ask the Foreign Secretary to raise these issues with the Pakistani government for fair trial, justice, and medical care for Mr. Khan and other political leaders, and a free access to lawyers and family members, including Mr. Khan's British-born sons.